So doctor, I'm having burp with nausea. So what are the things I have to take care of? First main thing is that make sure you are not taking any fried processed food items. Second main thing is that don't keep on overfeeding yourself. Nowadays we can see a tendency. I must not feel hungry, so let me feed on myself. Don't go with that habit because it is again creating stress to your digestive system. Third main thing is that drink warm water throughout the day. If you can drink warm water boiled with dry ginger, definitely it will be helping you. Don't go with the opposite or viruddhahara combinations like milkshake or milk with salt combinations because this is again creating confusion in your digestive system. When it is creating confusion in your digestive system, definitely it is going to harm your system. So please take care of these things. Try to include buttermilk in your diet. Please let me know if these tips are helping for you.